Hello, in this jQuery video, I am going to show you the stop method in relation to effects. This allows you, I think you can guess, drum roll, that was my attempt at a drum roll, animations or effects. It allows you to, just stop them before they have completed. So we've got this animation right here. The exact animation doesn't actually matter, or the exact effect. This principle is the same. So what I'm going to do is create another button, and this is just going to say stop. So it's going to be stop button, stop, and I just want to detect when it has been clicked. I can do so using this code and just slightly modifying it. So if I put stop right here, and the next thing I want to do, you need to actually, using code, get hold of the element that you want to stop the animation on. So it'll be essentially the same selector that you use to start the effect of the animation. So that dot stop, and that is it. That is literally it. Couldn't be simpler. And now if we were to run it, so it is pretty darn fast, to be fair. So let's actually add a speed parameter. So this will be 4 seconds, so 4,000 milliseconds. So if I say animate, okay, that's working. If I click that, and if I click the stop button, as you see, stopped it now. Click animate again, so it's relative to what it is currently. Click stop, it stops it. So that's all there is to it. So if you want to stop an animation or effect that is already in play, you can use the stop method. Just got to select the element or elements, and then you call the stop method. So the advantage of something like this is maybe you have a piece of code that gets triggered that starts an effect, and then you have another piece of code that when it gets triggered, it starts another effect, but you could have sort of conflicting visuals. It might not look very good. So you stop all existing effects, then you start the current effect. So that's it for the stop method for effects and animation. If you have any questions, feel free to pop me a message. And as usual, I look forward to seeing you in the next video.